Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, okay. So, this valedictory session, you see, now we want to, our goal is, the primary goal is that there are people whom we have seen in last 2 days, yesterday and today, on the stage, in front. But you see, there are people whom we have not seen and who have been vital for all this organization for last 2 days. So our goal is to bring these people out in front, acknowledge them, express our gratitude. That's the idea. So we'll go, first of all, in that we will need help from our people. I request Shri K. Vasudev Rao ji to occupy the chair here. He is the head of the institution. Shri Jitin Kumar Dhal, the organizing secretary, please join him. Dr. P.K. Singh from IIT BHU, please also join. Okay. So what we are going to do is that we'll go a team, the heading wise, one by one, and then call the people concerned and try to acknowledge them and express our gratitude through the small token of memento. Though these words and token is not sufficient, in fact you will be surprised that 80-90% of the people who have worked for this conference, the people whom you will be seeing, they are not paid people. They are fully volunteered, dedicated just for this cause. They are not going to get any penny, and they even have no desire to come to the stage also. Just render the volunteer dedicated service. But we will not leave them and bring them out. So, of course, I will not go to the formal vote of thanks, formal acknowledgement of the IIT staff. That we will do later. Let me go into this team one by one. So we have, number one, posters, design, and there's a lot of design and working team related to posters and publicity. In that team, we have Siddharth Tewari. Is he here? Please come on the dais. Santosh Ram. Is he here? Please come. Sushant Sharma, please come. And Divya Sahu, he may not be here, he is from Bangalore. So Siddharth Tewari and Santosh and Sushant, they have been working hard over the months to make the poster, to do the publicity, and all this word is spreading around all over the country is their hard work. So I request Shri K. Vasudev Rao ji and Christoph to come together and acknowledge them and express our gratitude through a small memento. You can together, you and K. Vasudev Rao can together give, I think. So Sushant Sharma can stay back. Sushant Sharma can stay back because he's also in the next team. But we are not going to give him second memento. Though we acknowledge his involvement in many things. So, souvenir and proceedings publication. The souvenir which you have in your hand from last 2 days, and the proceedings, deadlines always, as you know, but the people involved, they know that the things never generally happen in the deadline. The papers come in the end, the abstracts after 10 times reminder, a lot of difficulties to publish it, make it ready. So they took tremendous pressure till the last minute to get it done. So in that team, we have Sushant Sharma, who is on the stage, Santosh Ram, who just came, Professor Ram Gopal Upulari, is he here? Yes. He was in IIT Guwahati, sitting there and working from there non-stop. And then we have Bhaskar and his wife Radha, they are not here, and Milinder, S. Milinder. So I request Edward Jalta to come along. Okay, you can also join. I forgot to please. Professor Ram Gopal also. And Professor Ram Gopal can take one for Bhaskar and Radha. They have also worked offline a lot. He can hand over the mementos to them in Guwahati. Yeah, okay. And we have, for especially the banners design, the backdrop design, and the stage design with the gate design, we have Shri Avinash Kumar. Is he here? Avinash Kumar. If somebody can call, in the meantime, we'll proceed further. Avinash, he might be staying outside. Somebody can call him. Okay. Then we have in next stage decoration, Bali Maharaj. Is Bali Maharaj here? Oh, okay. So maybe we can make a note, who are not able to present, we can collect their mementos and then hand over to them eventually. Yeah. Okay. I will give you a good exercise today, all of you. You have to come back and forth, okay? Don't mind. Because if you just stand, that you will have good exercise, back and forth. So, okay. So next we move on. Offline registration through colleges. You see, in this world of technology with the YouTube and WhatsApp, very difficult to get people to come to the physical conferences. So there's a lot of effort of a team going to the universities, colleges, and inspiring, motivating students to come for the event. This is also a big challenge in modern times. So we have Madan Manohar Das, Achyutananda Das, Tushar Das, Pushpa Priya Devidasi, and Shri Mai. If they are all here, please come on the dais. I request Dr. P.K. Singh, along with our Professor Bhudev Sharma ji, to give them and acknowledge their services. Madan Manohar Das. Madan Manohar Das, Achyutananda Das, Tushar Das, Pushpa Priya Devidasi, and Shri Mai. Nobody can actually really express our gratitude how they have worked so hard. Our Madan Manohar Das, Swami Madan Manohar Das, last 20 days He has been going all the colleges, tables to motivate students to come for the conference. He is a medical doctor. If you have any issues, you can contact him. So we have one yoga teacher, one medical doctor. Both can help. Tushar Das, he will be common in many other areas too. You might have seen him on the registration table too. Professor Bhudev Sharma, you can stand because for you it will be difficult to go and back forth, I think. I will give one more small service. Then we have registration table management. She is Tushar Das, he already got it now. We are not going to give again. She is Surya Kant Swain. He is here, Surya Kant Sen. He is also helping. And all other team of the registration. Tushar, please call all the registration team members. We want to acknowledge them. They have been sitting whole day in the table, giving the batches, books, all the kits to different people, handling all this numbering, registration. This is so complex. I could not understand it. They are the one doing it. Mathematics seems more easier than their. Yeah, please, all of you come. Those who are sitting in the table. So I request our Professor Bhudev Sharma and Professor P.K. Singh to continue and give them mementos. Surya Kant Swain, is he also here? Please come. Actually, the services they are doing it cannot be counted or quantified. So you can continue. I finished.
Next is next is
Okay. Okay, what is the name? Devayana. Devayana, one person missing here. Please come. Okay. She was helping in felicitating the governor through giving bouquets. Please. Avinash Kumar, I heard you have come back. Please come to the stage. Avinash Kumar is behind the backdrop. Without this backdrop, you don't know what conference is going on here, right? So this backdrop, all these big designs, he does always big things. So. Thank you, Professor Bhudev Sharma. I think you have helped us a lot. They are very happy to receive awards, acknowledgement from you. Now next is invitations. So we have to invite dignitaries with the cards going around the campus, outside the campus, and in that we have a lot of people who help to reach out to the inviting dignitaries. One is Shri C.R. Seshadri, who is none other than me, sitting just standing beside me. Mahesh, Shri Mahesh, Siddharth Tiwari, okay, and Raju. Are they here? Okay, Siddharth, you can come on the dais, no problem. But Momento will not give. Okay, so we request Jitun Dhal and Lak Bergmans to please come on the dais and help to. Yeah, you can give also, no problem. If, you can give, I think, at least, no problem. We will take you back from you. Okay, look, we can stay back for you, I think, more. Then we have next team, transportation. Kalia Krishna, is he here? You see, we have been moving around in the cars, vehicles, buses, because he is the person behind who is coordinating all this. So let us give him a good... and we have Chandrasekhar also is here. He also helped him. Chandrasekhar, if he is here, otherwise you can take on his behalf. Kalia Krishna, please take one memento on Chandrasekhar behalf. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, to continue from where Sri Varun Agarwal left. So next category is accommodation. Accommodation is very important because people are coming from all over the country and need to make good arrangements, timely arrangements. So the winners for this award are Sri Sitikan Das. Sitikan Das, if you are here, please come. Sitikan Das is there? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Then Sri Suratam. Sri Suratam, you are here? And Amya Vilas Prabhu. So looks like only Sri Sitikan Das is here. Thank you. And of course, the next category is very important because without that, we would not have, enough, the stomach would not be satisfied. So that is the lunch. So the lunch arrangement has been done by a variety of people. The first one is Krishna Mishra Prabhu. Krishna Mishra Prabhu, please come up, please. Sri Vishal Lakshmipati Prabhu and his good wife, Sri Nilambar Krishna Prabhu, Sri Amai and Sri Sanjay. So there's a big team that made it so comfortable for all of us. So this team made the arrangement for the breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Is Sanjay is here? Sri Sanjay ji? Is he here? Sanjay? Okay. Amai? Okay. They might be still busy for your dinner, I think. preparing for it.
Thank you. Sri Amai, are you here? Is he Amai? No. Click on the next speaker.
So, okay. Okay. Thank you, Luke Bergmans. I think you helped us a lot to move forward. Now we will we go to next category, which is hospitality. So hospitality involves, that's why I didn't want to call you again and again. Hospitality. Hospitality involves the people who received you in the airport or in the guest house. They were taking care of you in various ways, or taking especially speakers also, their breakfast, lunch. So in that team we have Shri Jatin Bola. Is he here? Jatin Bola. He has been the one who has been coordinating all your hospitality. Gyan Ranjan, is he here? Yeah, please come. I request our Shukdev Das to come also and give the memento along with our Shukdev Das. Is he here? Please come. Please come. See, that's the quality of people. See, they don't want to come to stage at all. So beautiful. And this world is very difficult because people fight to come in front. So, fine. So we'll call our Professor Bhagwati, our Chamula ji. Please come. Please help us to acknowledge them, their services. Of course, see, whatever we are trying to help is give. It is nothing. Just out of love, we are expressing our small gratitude. Please, all of you, please join together and we have Ram Vallabha. Ram Vallabha is here. Ram Vallabha, Jatin Bola and Srimati Veena Seshadri. Okay. Okay. It's good. Our Seshadri will receive on behalf of Srimati Veena Seshadri. She was just here. I think she gone out. If any of you, in the meantime, try to call Jatin Bhola. When he comes, we can give him. Next is cultural program management. So this cultural program management, a lot of people were involved. Now you also did the cultural program. So it was coordinated by the secretary itself. Also Sushant Sharma, Munmun Ghosh, Sudipto Ghosh, please come. Sushant Sharma. Professor Sudipto Ghosh. He was the director of the skit from IIT Kharagpur students. And his good wife, Srimati Munmun Ghosh. They worked hard for this cultural program you had a lot of Professor Ghosh has come. He was He was though he is actually a researcher, but he also became a cultural director. I was surprised to see him yesterday. Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Sure, sure, sure. Please acknowledge Professor Ghosh, Professor Chamola, and all others together. Please acknowledge. And from student side, IIT Kharagpur student side, at least one representative come. So many students participated yesterday. Praveen or Paveen, somebody, one student should come. Please come. Also, as a part of the team, please take the memento. Oh, we have Professor P.V. Sharma also now. Okay, good. Professor P.V. Sharma also played yesterday the role. Those who saw the skit, he played a beautiful role of a very, very strong. Vasishtha Muni, yeah. It's one of the very renowned sage from our history of our tradition. Next. Thank you, Professor Chamula. You have taken us further. Next, we'll move to book tables. You see the various books being put on the table here on the bus, and these book tables have been coordinated and hard worked by people. One is Madan Manohar Das. I request Professor P.V. Sharma to please come on the dais and acknowledge their help. Please give them mementos along with Professor P.K. Singh, Shri Vasudev Rao ji and Jitundhal. Madan Manohar Das, Pitambar Krishna Das, Krishna Mishra Das and Deepankar. Deepankar, please come. And I think they are still on the job. Oh. Okay. Next, we'll move to stage management team. You see, the whole focus of this conference has been this stage. And this stage has been managed by a big team. So I'll call all of them. Please do come. And in the august presence of Professor P.V. Sharma and our colleagues, we'll express our gratitude to them. Shri Prabhakar Ballapalle from Bangalore, please come. Shri Samir, please come. Kali Charan, Shravan, Avinash Kumar, Milinder, Mohan, Ajay Sahu, Durga Prasad, please come. If see, these people were working hard behind the stage and making sure that your presentations, your things run well. Of course, there were issues time to time, but we can forgive them for that. Because they worked sincerely. Pitambar Krishna Das and Krishna Kirtan Das, you please also come on the dais. You can join them. They were for the book table. They have come now. I was just looking whether we are running out of mementos or I think no, we have enough. I think. Good, very good. Sure, sure. No, no, let the chairs be there. Oh, we are having anyway group photo, but you can have a quick click. Yeah, nowadays photo is very quick. Yeah, just click it quickly. Okay, thank you so much. Next, we request Professor P.V. Sharma to stay back. We have, in this stage management, there are people from IIT who are working. They are still sitting here, two of them. This is Praveen and Tikyat. Please come, at least 2 minutes, take a break. They were coordinating, working all this audio projector, all this assistance they have been doing. You please come. Praveen and Tikyat. This is holiday for them, Saturday and Sunday, but they came and still staying whole 2 days. Of course, we do have videography and live streaming assistant team, but if we call them, these photos and videos will stop. So we will wait for some time, I think. Then everything will be, our people will be angry, my photo is not going. Okay, next. So we have one person who has come from Singapore and he has been coordinating and heading the Master of Ceremony. He has been working hard, managing the team of Master of Ceremonies. He has 2-3 people with him together. We like to call him Shri Aristotle Moti Nandi. Please come. His health was not good. He came all the way from Singapore just to render this service. And Aristotle is very, very active person. Just 10 days back, we were with him. He organized a conference in Singapore on science, spirituality, and world peace. Very active person, and he just immediately came here. Thank you so much. And he has a team. Those team members have gone, I think, by now. So we'll acknowledge them separately. Next is, we have funds collection and raising. There were people involved in helping in raising the funds from the sponsors and the donors. In that, we have Shri Swami Ananta Sesh Das. Please come. And we have Shri Sharad Purnima Das. And Shri Anand Shesh Das, as you know, in today's world, nobody wants to take out even 100 rupees or $10. But he goes to the people, asks them for help, to help for this noble cause. So, very hard work from last 1-2 years, continuously has been working. Please give a good round of applause for him. Of course, our Jitan Dal also helped together with him. If Sharad Purnima Das is here, okay, then we'll give him separately the memento. So we would like to call, there's a 3 students, Chandrasekhar, Sudarshan Rao and Nikhil. They are in the back office working day and night to make sure that all the computer data, work, printout, everything is being taken care. Hello, Sudarshan Rao is from Vijayawada, Nikhil is from Calcutta. And we have Ritvik and Deepankar too. There are 2 more people. Ritvik, are you here? Ritvik, please come. He is a first year student of this institute, working very hard. He finished his semester exam and started working for this conference. And Deepankar also. Please come. Deepankar is a student from ISER, Kolkata. Nikhil is also a student from ISER, Kolkata. Looks like Deepankar is taking 2 mementos. We are noting down. So one thing we have missed out, very important, our Professor P.V. Sharma, because of his urgent work, he had to go after his lecture and he could not receive the speaker's memento. So I like to request our where is our Tune, please come. Tune together with Shri K. Vasudev Raoji to give memento to Professor P.V. Sharma. Professor P.V. Sharma is a very active person. He has been Vice Chancellor of the many universities. And he is still the Vice Chancellor of Amity University in Gurgaon in northern India. Okay, next, please stand up. Please stand back. The next is generous donations. We receive donations for this cause from many our well-wishers and friends. We like to call them Sri Sanjay ji, if he is here, Achyutananda Prabhu, Sri Ramananda Rai Prabhu, Sri C.R. Sheshadri ji, Devashish Khan, Hare Krishna Mohanta, Ram Gopal Upalari, Prashanta Kumar Panda, Nadia Chandradas, Niranjan Patnayak. Please all of you come on the stage. These well-wishers and friends have been helping us to do this. And besides them, we had Partners such as IIMT, Nalco, Shriram Properties, Babina Diagnostics, Kanoria Foundation, Birla Global University, Classical Group of Hotels, Shri Krishna Mission School, and others who have helped us in this noble cause. I request Amar, one student from ISER Calcutta. He has missed out. Amar, please come. We missed out you. Please come. He worked for the souvenir and publication proceedings, both. They are the future scientists. They are doing PhD and very hardworking. So with this, we have a last but not the least. We have overall conference management has been taken care by the organizing secretary Shri Jutun Dhal. So we like Professor P.V. Sharma, Shri K. Vasudev Rao, Professor Tune, Professor P.K. Singh together to acknowledge him. He underwent tremendous tensions, tremendous anxieties, worries, lot of hard work. Jitendra was taking a lot of hard work. From last many months, he has been working around, traveling, staying in this institute, or going all around. In fact, he took a lot of tension, a lot of anxieties. So we have stage management. One person is missed out. Nagratna. Is she here? Nagratna. Oh, okay, Nagratna. Our mother Nagratna. She has been working in the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. You know, when the governor came, before the governor came, there were so many security issues. Actually, we were really troubled. Means internally we were so much in anxiety because everywhere there are checkpoints. So one of the person, the head of the security office is here in IIT Bhubaneswar. I forgot the name. He is here now. We want to call him. Please come. Lieutenant Commander Raj Kumar. So he went out of the way to help us. And Security Officer Mahapatra ji, please also join him with him. You see, they said this conference is ours. Don't worry, we will take care of everything. They did tremendous hard work beyond their normal office duties. At one point we were so much worried how to take care of so many formalities, but he went through all. So we like to call Shri Nitai Dhal of Silicon Institute and Shri Mohan Das from the Department of Atomic Energy, Mumbai. Please, both of you, please come on the dais. Oh, Chandrasekhar has come. Please come on the dais, Chandrasekhar. Yeah, please come. Your name, now you have come. Chandrasekhar, Mahesh and Raju, your names were announced. You are not here, I think. Please come if you have come. Please come. They were working behind for helping in many ways. They went for invitations. Chandrasekhar, please come on the dais. So now, yeah, we can have a. Dr. Mohanty, the head of the ODC cultural team, we are happy to see you that you are here already. Please come on the dais and receive wonderful performances by your students for ODC dances. So now we want to invite few feedbacks from the Tune. Thank you, Tune and Professor P.V. Sharma. Maybe you can start with this. Express one or two sentences, your thoughts about this last 2 days of this conference. And then we invite 4 or 5 people from the audience to express 2 or 3 lines about your thoughts, views, whatever words of you have about this conference. You please start with this.
Always starts with you. Ladies and gentlemen, in conferences like this, man is elevated to the level of divinity. You feel that you are in an altogether different world where there is no suffering. Only the company of divine is there throughout the day, even at night, even during the dreams, and in the rhythms and vibrations of your breath. And that is exactly the purpose. Human beings are born not just to be mechanical beings as they otherwise look like. They are supposed to create some time for them for connect with the God Almighty. And opportunities like these, besides invigorating our mind, allowing us to create the trinity of imagination, intuition, as well as our intuitive faculty, gives us a chance to go beyond the limits of knowledge which are sketched out in the books currently available. They give us a reason to believe that a lot more is yet to be explored, and what is unknown today may become known tomorrow, and therefore what is unknown cannot be labeled as permanent non-real, though it may appear to be real. So while the reality is something with which we have to live and conform to, but we must keep scope for what is unreal or unknown today could become real tomorrow. People like me believe that days are not far off when the spiritual strength of science will enable us to bridge this gap between man and divine. One of the very famous sages from India has proclaimed that the limits of ignorance shall recede, rather than saying that the limits of knowledge will expand. Frontiers of knowledge will expand. If you go on expanding frontiers of knowledge, there is no end. But on the other hand, if the frontiers of ignorance recede, then there is a good chance for you to attain the enlightenment and create that vital connect between man and divinity. An opportunity like this, in my opinion, is a major milestone in that direction. So I feel immensely delighted to participate in this conference along with my lovely wife sitting over there, Srimati Meena Sharma. I'm pretty sure she must have enjoyed exactly the way I have enjoyed this conference. So thank you, Vasudevanji sir, Brajpati ji and Dr. Agrawal and all the associates including Jatin Das, Professor Ghosh and all our friends from who have made this day this for us. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you.
Professor Tune, please express.
Yeah, I think I can speak also on behalf of the other foreigners here. We are very much impressed by your hospitality, the organization of the conference, and the organization of the conference and the content of the conference. So many aspects of the relation between religion and science have been touched upon. I don't know which aspect was forgotten, maybe none. And what impressed me most was that the relation between science and religion is taken so seriously here in India. In the West, that is sometimes different. So, but once more, I thank you very much for everything.
Thank you so much. So I like to request from the audience, please come. Whosoever wants to come, 2-3 students should come, and also anybody can come and express your thoughts or views about this conference to get some words. Yes, Ed, do you want to add? Yeah, please come. Ed can add. Huh?
Well, my
Please,
colleague,
please come in front so that we can save some time. Whosoever can express few words, please come on the front. Yeah, go ahead.
my colleague expressed all of us sentiments from all of us. I'd like to leave you with a puzzle. Instead of thinking that we've accomplished something, it's always good to go off and think there's more to do. And that is, we didn't talk much about unapplied mathematics. Think about the mathematics that was invented that hasn't been applied to nature. What's the status of that mathematics? That, I think, is something we hadn't really touched upon and focused on in the conference. But of course, it does have some level of reality, and that's an open question. So I leave you with a puzzle to think about. Thank you.
Thank you. Please go ahead. Tell your name and institute, and please then can speak.
Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Punit Kumar Singh. I'm a first-year student of IIT Bhubaneswar, and I'm studying currently electrical engineering here. I'm open to new concepts, and I like to learn new things, whatever is new to me. So mathematics and reality was a fascinating concept, which is not properly described as and is hard-coded as science. So it was very enlightening to me because it opened new pathways to realize what science is and how it can relate to science. I really found out new methods and new ways in which you can describe life in terms of maths. And a new point of view of spirituality was open to me, which I think I did not understood previously. So these clarities and these explanations which I heard here will obviously be a path for me to follow, and they will be a light provider to me so that I can lead my life in a way which I should live, as directed by many lecturers and teachers and professionals here. And I'm sure I will remember these, and they will come very handy. And I request all of you to exactly follow what they have said, because if they have experienced it, there must be some truth in it. So we must believe and continue, and that's all. Thank you very much.
Very good, very good. Thank you so much. Next. He is a student from Varanasi. Yes, I understand.
Hare Krishna, everybody. I didn't wanted to miss this opportunity, like to grab this mic and pay my gratitude, especially first of all to Professor Debashish Khan sir, my inspiration, Shri P.K. Singh Sarji, and their Sandeep sir, with the help of whom, like, I had this ideology. I had nothing in myself. Like, I was completely thinking that what is it all about Lord Krishna? Like, these are all superheroes and these playing a different roles. But when I got to know that what is the exact meaning about it, like, I'm still working on it. And these professors are very kind, and all of us, and yes, this organization, I'm also working on the youth, that religion, and this spirituality should peep deep into the youth, because science without religion is very destructive. That I felt in myself, like the news which we encounter every day, science without like direction. It has to be a perfect direction, right? And I think this institute in India, abroad, with millions and millions of people, is actually doing the thing which has to be done. So, like, I'm very, very thankful to every single buddy who is in one or the other way connected to this institution, and I'll always try to do my best to perform. And yes, I'm ready for anything which comes in my way to promote this. Thank you all of you.
Great. Yeah, next, Shukdev, Shri Shukdev Das ji, please.
Good evening. But this conference is kind of like very eye-opening, but I don't feel that it's the conclusion of this mathematics and reality. I would like to have the same feeling like our Professor Edward Gelder. So yesterday I asked this question about the consciousness. Still there is no formulation for having a transition state of consciousness from this space-time to different higher dimensions. So we have to go further, such kind of conference in the future, somewhere in different part of the world. And the scientists who are attending here also should work out that, if once the consciousness is being formulated in a mathematical presentation, hopefully in the theory of everything, that include consciousness, hope mysteries of the world can be resolved in this century. Thank you.
Thank you. Any two more persons can come to the stage and express their thoughts. Anybody would like to come and express? Christoph, in the meantime, you can also say one or two sentences.
Well, very ad hoc. For me, it has been a great pleasure already at the last event. I mentioned it before. And it was for me a particular pleasure to come back and see many of the friends I've made already the last time and make many new friends. So I think an event like this is very important, in particular also to connect us and to keep these connections going much beyond the conference and to have an outreach afterwards.
Thank you. So, if there are no further views, okay, we will now. Okay, please come.
The dialogue shall continue.
Most welcome.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This type of events are really rarely seen in India. I had my first experience when I met the missile man of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam. The feelings I had in my mind that time, it was, I can't explain all of you, the blessings and the personality he had and the thinkings for this country. The second experience I had when I met the late Prime Minister of India, Honorable Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Once during the Kargil war, I was posted at Air Force Station Avantipur, and he had visited one of the army hospital to see the wounded soldiers. One of the wounded soldiers, he was from Nagaland, so he cried seeing the Prime Minister standing in front of him. The Prime Minister thought, Probably the soldier is crying because he lost his limbs. But the soldiers told him, I am not crying because I lost my limbs, I am crying. The Prime Minister of this country is standing in front of me and I am unable to salute him as a soldier. The tears came in my mind at that day. I thought a country cannot defeat like India, where the soldiers think that the country is everything for him. And today, I think, after a long day, I was waiting for this day, and I thought, whole day I was running here to there to maintain security and other things, but I never got tired. Probably, I thought, all the representatives of gods are accumulated here, are standing here, and giving good things to the society. Thank you, gentlemen. These type of events are rarely happens in India, and I hope it will continue in the years to come. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, all of you. I think your words of wisdom, appreciation, and gratitude have really helped us and inspired us to move forward.